Dogs, doesn't just their mention bring a smile on the face? Even if people are scared of dogs, somewhere deep in their hearts, they really admire dogs. People who are scared of them admire them from a distance. There's something so positive about dogs that really rids all the young and old free of their stress. Last 2 years, with the onset of pandemic, this industry has really grown. The pet food industries, the accessories industries has mushroomed. And yes, people are breeding more and more dogs. What does that mean? That means there are more dogs coming home, there are more people who don't know how to look after their dogs, and there's another parallel career that's coming up, that of a dog trainer that can help you and your furry new friend settle down in your house like a family member. Keeping a pet at home isn't easy. It does require a fair amount of training, settling down with your new companion, and it doesn't come naturally to most of us. And that's where pet training or dog training comes in handy. For years, this profession, at least in India, was ignored. It wasn't something people would consider. However, let's talk to one of the new gen dog trainers and see that is evolving. Can you just tell our viewers a little bit about yourself and how did you get into this field of dog training?
So, since I was 5 years old, I always wanted to do something with animals. It was not clear that I want to be a dog trainer or something, but yeah, I always wanted to be working around animals. So when I got 15 years old, I started looking for career options, and I found out that there is this profession called dog training. I went to a very good established trainer and started taking mentorship.
It's quite sweet the way you call it profession. You know, there are not too many people who will actually address this as a profession. And that brings me to my leading question, which is, you know, you belong to actually a family of professionals in the traditional sense. Your father is a dentist, your mom has been a lecturer, a teacher. And so how did they respond? उनका क्या response था जब उन्हें पता चला कि भाई इसका passion dog training है और ये शायद पढ़ाई में कम ध्यान दे रहा है?
No, I was good at studies. So I was just learning training अपने dog के लिए and just fun के लिए. उसके बाद later on when I was in college, I guess it was my second year or final year.
MBA में या MBA?
No, मेरी graduation में.
Okay.
तब I started doing it for extra pocket money क्योंकि dog training equipments बहुत महंगे आते हैं. तो I wanted to do it for that. पर slow जब college ख़त्म हुआ, धीरे धीरे profession बन गया. I never got to know about it कि profession कब बन गया. But हाँ, that's how I became the professional.
नहीं तो फिर MBA क्यों किया? फिर MBA से हट के ये full time कब शुरू किया?
MBA इसलिए किया क्योंकि पापा मम्मी चाहते थे. And nothing else. Like I never had any interest towards MBA.
but जब MBA कर रहे थे तब भी you were doing dog
training? Yeah. I was a dog trainer तब भी और मैं full time dog training करता था. But side में MBA भी करना था क्योंकि पापा मम्मी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, tell me this यार. So what are your clients like? How much do you charge them? What is this whole industry of dog training like?
So it depends. How far is it from my place? Point one. Point two, what kind of case it is and how difficult case it is.
My God, you're sounding like a doctor now.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me more.
So there are majorly people in India, especially people need dog trainers for behavior modifications. If their dog gets aggressive,
जैसे घर में शांतिपूर्वक रहे.
हाँ.
If I have to put it very bluntly.
Yeah. और या फिर उनका dog overly aggressive हो रहा है या फिर overly shy हो रहा है. It creates problem in normal societies. हम लोग इंडिया में societies में रहते हैं, apartments में रहते हैं, वहाँ difficult हो जाता है dogs रखना. तो majorly उसलिए लोग hire करते हैं हमें. और उसके बाद बाकी parts आते हैं. But
how much do you charge roughly?
Roughly.
Per session, what would you be charging?
For roughly 3,000.
Per session?
Yep.
Nikhil, that's expensive.
That's how much I charge.
Oh my God! And you've got clients who are willing to pay that much?
Yeah, even more than that. For difficult cases like super aggression cases, I just did a dog who bit roughly 26 people, I charged 5,000 rupees for a session with that dog, and
Okay.
they are paying. They are still my clients, and they are paying.
God, you're expensive.
Yeah, that
So,
I am.
what would be your tip for people who really want a pet but can't afford that kind of money?
They can follow us on maybe YouTube. We do create videos and stuff for their daily day-to-day training and how to keep dogs easy at home. And plus, very important thing, you need to have time. You really need to have time to exercise the dog. That's very important.
Okay. Now tell me one thing, when you say what, it really depends on the case, and I do know that you also do performance training. So tell me a little bit about this.
So there are people in India who are crazy about competitions. So they want their dog's trophy on their wall.
मतलब ट्रॉफी डॉग चाहिए उन्हें.
हाँ, उन जैसे वो था ना 3 Idiots में, इस डॉग की सर्टिफिकेट हमें इस दीवार पे चाहिए.
अच्छा.
वो वाला. There are people, so they are ready to spend more than normal people. क्योंकि कंपटीशन ट्रेनिंग महंगी होती है, उसके लिए इक्विपमेंट्स, स्पेस, सब कुछ बहुत महंगा था. एंड यू हैव टू गेट अ स्पेशल डॉग. एवरी डॉग कैन नॉट बी अ गुड कंपटीशन डॉग. जैसे
हर
सब
कोई अमिताभ बच्चन तो नहीं बन सकता.
यस.
Right.
सो एग्जैक्टली वैसे आपको एक डॉग अलग लेना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू लुक.
But isn't it with the trainer? Isn't it in your hands how you shape a dog?
सो
It is a mix.
नो, हम रेस डॉर्बी के घोड़े को जिता सकते हैं,
Right.
गधे को दौड़ना नहीं सिखा सकते.
Oh my God. Okay, got it. Do you also train for protection and?
Yeah, that's my major forte. I love protection dogs. Personally, मुझे protection dogs के बिना मज़ा नहीं आता. Like if a dog can't protect you when needed, then it is not a good dog. मेरे हिसाब से. So I like that.
What about service dogs? इंडिया में अभी service dogs इतने नहीं आसानी से मिलते हैं. Is there anyone you know, or are you working on service dogs who can help the blind and the deaf?
So I am working on a service dog right now. It is a golden retriever, and वो प्रॉपर सर्विस डॉग नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि इंडिया में ना ही कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है अभी जो सर्टिफाई करे सर्विस डॉग को, और अभी इंडिया में एनवायरनमेंट भी नहीं है. इंडिया में रूल्स उतने स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है बेसिक रोड्स को लेके, तो इंडिया में प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है इस वक्त सर्विस डॉग्स रखना. बट हाँ, देयर आर कंट्रीज जहाँ हो रहा है. वी डू ट्रेन डॉग्स फॉर सर्विस, बट इंडिया में कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं होती जो सर्टिफाई करे उन्हें.
What are your aspirations, Nikhil? Tell us, I mean, let's have a candid conversation. How much do you earn roughly right now, and what do you think where you can land in this career?
So I earn quite well. 2 वक्त के रोटी कमा लेता हूँ.
Come on, Nikhil. Tell the youngsters out there who are aspiring.
So if you are good at your field, you earn more than 1 lakh easily.
Okay.
Like if you are good. But हाँ, when you start, never go for money. Go for learning. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लर्न करने की कोशिश कीजिए and give time to learning. उससे पहले कोशिश ही नहीं करनी पैसे कमाने की. पैसे अपने आप आ जाते हैं, believe me. इनिशियली मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं बहुत पैसे कमा रहा था, बट आई स्टेड ऑन दिस फील्ड, आई केप्ट ऑन वर्किंग एंड ठीक है, अब आई अर्न क्वाइट वेल.
So Nikhil, it's been
Yeah.
amazing talking to you,
Yeah.
and I'm sure
Thank
viewers
you.
have loved every moment of it. I thought, how about a quick rapid fire round? We
Yeah,
all love it,
sure,
and
sure.
it's a great way to have some fun before you leave. What breeds do you really enjoy working with?
So my favorite breed is German Shepherd. I have a German Shepherd girl, and second favorite is Dutch Shepherd, and then third favorite is Belgian Malinois.
Basically, the aggressive dogs.
No,
There's
they are not aggressive.
Oh.
Don't use the wrong word.
Okay.
They are working dogs, and normally लोग उन्हें जब ट्रेन नहीं करते या फिर उनके साथ वर्क नहीं करते तो they get hyper, जो कि easily solvable होता है, and people start calling them aggressive. That is
Which breeds do you really avoid? Or not the breeds that really excite you?
A breed which I really avoid is American Akita,
Okay.
cause एक तो India, they are not suitable for India.
Okay.
Second, people do buy them cause they look cute बचपन में, and when they grow up they become super aggressive. I have worked with roughly 40-50 Akitas till now, and I have not met a single cute प्यारा बच्चा Akita. Every Akita is temperamental.
Okay. So that brings me to this question: which has been your most hilarious training moment?
So yeah, once I was working with a aggressive dog, and बाई चांस उसकी लीश खुल गई
Okay.
एंड उसके ओनर्स रूम छोड़ के भाग गए मुझे अकेला उसके साथ बंद करके.
Don't tell me, really.
या
Owners को अपने कुत्ते से डर लगता था.
ओनर्स को कुत्ता काटता था. लाइक वी
Oh
डू.
my God. So guys, be careful before you get a dog like that. And
Yeah.
if you get a dog like that, reach out to Nikhil.
या प्लीज.
So does a dog go wrong, or is it usually the human companion that goes wrong?
It is 99% human companions.
Why do you say that?
People buy dogs for entertainment. Abhi, like this lockdown period we had, people bought so many dogs. Right now, I have like my 70 to 80% cases are anxiety, aggression. क्योंकि सबने लॉकडाउन में डॉग्स ले लिए. नाउ दे आर बोर्ड क्योंकि डॉग्स बड़े हो चुके
समझ में
हैं
नहीं आ रहा है क्या करना है.
एंड सबको अपने ऑफिस जाना है. दे डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर डॉग्स. सो व्हेन यू बाय अ डॉग, बाय रिस्पॉन्सिबली और अडॉप्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबली. प्लान कि हाँ 10-15 साल आपके पास वो डॉग रहने वाला है. आप 2 दिन का काम नहीं है वो. आपको 15 साल उसके साथ बिताने. तो यू शुड हैव टाइम एंड इनफ रिसोर्सेज टू कीप दैट डॉग.
Awesome, well said. So, Nikhil, my last question for you is, for people aspiring to be a dog trainer, for the kids aspiring to be a dog trainer, are there any good training academies? And can one also look at career options in police and army as a dog trainer?
Of course, there are quite a few academies in India जो डॉग ट्रेनिंग सिखाते हैं एंड दे गाइड यू वेल. एंड अगर आप आर्मी या पुलिस की टूवर्ड्स जाना चाहते हैं तो दे पोस्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट न्यूज़पेपर में जब उनके यहाँ वैकेंसीज होती हैं. ऑफ कोर्स डॉग स्क्वाड होता है एंड वो हमेशा नहीं होती, वो थोड़ा टाइम बाद आती हैं. उससे बेटर है कि यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग डॉग ट्रेनिंग एंड जब वैकेंसीज आती हैं यू कैन अप्लाई. आप बहुत सारी अकेडमीज हैं जो अच्छी डॉग ट्रेनिंग सिखाती हैं इंडिया में. You can contact any one of them, or you can contact me.
We'll put it in the content box, right?
Yeah,
yes.
So you can contact us, और हम ट्रेनिंग सिखाने के साथ साथ we do guide you to आगे आप जॉब्स कैसे ढूंढ सकते हो इस फील्ड में, how to work आगे हमारे साथ काम कर सकते हो. Like if you are from Delhi NCR or somewhere, or we can place you
Nikhil,
anywhere in
can our
India.
viewers email you or Instagram you?
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks a lot, Nikhil. It was amazing talking to you.
Pleasure is all mine.
And I will put your email ID and Insta handle in the description box so our viewers can reach out to you if they are inspired and if they have a love for dogs.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Nikhil.
Welcome.
Thanks. Friends, you just heard Nikhil about his passion and how he groomed himself pretty much from the age of 5 and then more seriously from the age of 15 to follow his passion, and he gives more than just 8 to 10 hours a day into his new profession, that of a dog trainer. He's one of the most admired dog trainers in the protection dog training realm. He is preparing for the PSA, which is an international award given for protection dogs. A very, very driven, passionate dog trainer, something that we haven't come across earlier. This is a new field that's growing, something that one can aspire for. So guys, if you love dogs and you're willing to sweat it out, enjoy their licks, enjoy their scratches, and run around and play with them while you teach them how to be a good companion to their human counterparts, this might be the profession for you. And the boundaries are unlimited. You can start off, as Nikhil said, by being a trainer. You could further expand in this profession or in this horizon by having your own dog care center as more people return to work. Internationally, there are quite a few dog care centers. You could be running one of them. You could be running a dog boarding center while also training these cute little animals who've been so loyal to us. All the best in your career journeys.